Hello students, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tute, your flight to success. And yes students, today in this video we are going to discuss, rather we are going to solve exercise, yes, chapter number 1, that is yours obviously introduction to partnership and partnership final accounts. इस chapter का question number 1 ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ए बी सी डी को हम सॉल्व करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे एंड विल ट्राई टू आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड इन डेप्थ व्हाई इट इज सो. ठीक है, those people new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe and share so that everybody will get advantage of these videos. On that great note children, let's get started. Students, today we are going to solve question number 1a जैसे मैंने बोला है. So question number 1a is select the most appropriate alternatives from the following and rewrite the sentences. ठीक है, first one, when there is no partnership agreement between partners, the division of profits take place in dash ratio. Students, when there is no partnership agreement, मतलब partnership agreement बिल्कुल भी नहीं है partners के बीच में, then definitely it is going to be shared in equal ratio. So the correct answer is A, equal ratio. ठीक है. Second, to find out net profit or net loss of the business, dash account is prepared. Definitely it is D, profit and loss account. We are all aware net profit or net loss profit and loss account में ही निकल के आता है. So profit and loss account prepare करना ही पड़ता है अगर आपको net profit और net loss निकालना है तो. ठीक है. Third one, a dash is an intangible asset. Yes, without any doubt it goes to A, goodwill. It is an intangible asset children because you cannot see and touch goodwill, है ना? So that's why it is intangible asset. It is there, it is existing, but you cannot see and touch it. It is about your good reputation, goodwill आप बोल सकते हो, but it is intangible asset. Fourth जो है वो है in the absence of an agreement, interest on loan advanced by the partner to the firm is allowed at the rate of, yes, B, 6%. Students, again when there is no agreement, तो प्रोविजंस तो उनको फॉलो करने ही पड़ते हैं. सो दोज प्रोविजंस मेंशन करते हैं कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन है एडवांस बाय द पार्टनर टू द फर्म, वो कितने परसेंटेज पर होता है, अलाउ होता है, वो 6% है. ठीक है. फिफ्थ वन, लायबिलिटी ऑफ पार्टनर्स इन अ पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस इज डैश. यस, डेफिनेटली बी, इट्स अनलिमिटेड. डेफिनेटली पार्टनर्स जितने होते हैं, मतलब 2 हो गए तो उनकी जो लायबिलिटी है, so it is unlimited. Okay. Sixth है, the Indian Partnership Act is in force since dash. Yes, it's 1932. ये थोड़ा सा year wise information है, so I expect you people to remember it because most of the time they do ask these questions maybe in the different form, but yes, Indian Partnership Act 1932. Seventh, maximum number of partners in a firm are dash according to Companies Act 2013. Maximum number जो है वो है 50. As per the Companies Act 2013, they have made it maximum number of partners is 50. 50. Let's go to question number 1B. Write the word, phrase, term which can substitute each of the following sentences. Let's start with the first one students. Person who forms the partnership firm. Definitely students, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Partners. Okay, they form the partnership firm. ना तो कौन form करता है? Definitely partners. Second, amount of cash or goods withdrawn by partners from the business from time to time. We have been learning the terms of accounts from last year as well, and we are aware कि जो cash और goods withdrawn करते हैं, partners withdraw जब करते हैं from business बार बार from time to time, that is called as drawings. Yes. Third one जो है, an association of 2 or more persons according to Indian Partnership Act 1932 is called as partnership firm, है ना? इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट, आई थिंक अभी जो एक्सरसाइज हमने किया वहां पर भी ये 1932 ईयर उन्होंने पूछा था. सो दिस ईयर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट्स द रीजन आई टोल्ड यू कि इसको हमेशा याद रखो. दैट इज what is it? An association of 2 or more persons according to Indian Partnership Act 1932 is called as partnership firm. ठीक है. Then fourth, act under which partnership firms are regulated. Definitely it is Indian Partnership Act 1932. नाउ यू कैन रियलाइज स्टूडेंट्स की ये ईयर्स के कितने मायने होते हैं, है ना. देन फिफ्थ इज प्रोसेस ऑफ एंटरिंग द नेम ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म इन द रजिस्टर ऑफ रजिस्ट्रार. उस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं जो एंटरिंग द नेम ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म इन द रजिस्टर ऑफ रजिस्ट्रार, इट इज कॉल्ड एज रजिस्ट्रेशन. ठीक है. देन सिक्स्थ इज partnership agreement in written form, it is called as partnership deed. Okay. Then seventh, under this method capital balances of partners remain constant. Definitely जो constant रहता है उसको हम fixed कहते हैं, है ना. So ये method कौन सा है? It is fixed capital method. Then eighth one, proportion in which partners share profits, उसको हम profit sharing ratio कहते हैं. Let's go to ninth quickly. Such capital method in which only capital account is maintained for each partner, उसको हम fluctuating capital कहते हैं. Definitely उस method में जहाँ only capital account is maintained for each partner, तो उसको why I'm repeating it, because यहाँ पर हमको difference by default दिख जाता है कि ओनली कैपिटल अकाउंट जहां मेंटेन होता है उसको हम फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल कहते हैं. ठीक है. लेट्स गो टू द 10th वन. द अकाउंट टू विच ऑल एडजस्टमेंट्स आर मेड व्हेन कैपिटल इज फिक्स्ड, डेफिनेटली इट इज करंट अकाउंट. यू कैन सी हियर, आई एम जस्ट मूविंग माय कर्सर एज वेल. ओके. 11th इज एक्सपेंसेस विच आर पेड बिफोर दे आर ड्यू. डेफिनेटली जो पहले ड्यू होने से पहले ही पे होते हैं उसको हम प्री पेड एक्सपेंसेस कहते हैं. 12th, the accounts that are prepared at the end of each accounting year, yes, it is called as final accounts. 13th, an asset which can be converted into cash is easily, it's called as current assets or liquid assets पे आप इसको बोल सकते हो. 14th, order in which fixed assets are recorded first in the balance sheet, order of liquidation. Yes students, order in which जो भी fixed assets है वो फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड होते हैं बैलेंस शीट में, उसको हम ऑर्डर ऑफ लिक्विडेशन कहते हैं. 15th, अकाउंट इन विच सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ बिजनेस आर रिकॉर्डेड, डेफिनेटली इट इज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. 16th, डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. डेबिट बैलेंस ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का असेट साइड होता है. देन नेक्स्ट, क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, डेफिनेटली इट इज नेट प्रॉफिट. क्रेडिट बैलेंस जब आता है तो आपको क्या मिलता है? नेट profit, isn't it? Let's go to the next children, that is state whether the following statements are true or false with reasons. First, partnership firm is a non-trading concern. Now you know students, it is false because partnership is a trading concern ना. Definitely वहां पर partnership firm है तो buying selling होता है तो obviously it is a trading firm, है ना, और trading concern आप बोल सकते हो. Second, profit and loss account is a real account. No, it's false again because profit and loss account is a nominal account. और हम ये पढ़ते हुए आए हैं, हमको कौन से real account, nominal, personal सब पता है, isn't it? So definitely profit and loss account is not a real account for sure. That's why the statement is false. Then carriage inward is carriage on purchases. Definitely it is true because we are all aware कि purchases, carriage inward comes, definitely it is on purchases itself because they come in the trading account itself, है ना. So that's why carriage inward is carriage on purchases. So the statement is true. Fourth, adjustments are recorded in partner's current account in fixed capital method. True, because already we are aware what do you mean by fixed capital method. वहां पर जो भी adjustment होता है वो partner's current account में ही होता है. ठीक है, तो that is in fixed capital method. Fifth is prepaid expenses are treated as liabilities. Completely no, it's false children, क्योंकि prepaid expenses तो assets में आता है, isn't it? How can be it treated as a liability? So it's false. Next, if partnership deed is silent, partners share profits and losses in proportion to their capital. How huge no, it's false students, क्योंकि जब पार्टनरशिप डीड साइलेंट होता है तो प्रॉफिट्स एंड लॉसेस इक्वली शेयर होते हैं, नॉट एज पर देयर कैपिटल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. 7th जो है वो है बैलेंस शीट इज एन अकाउंट Totally wrong. It's false statement, students, because balance sheet is an statement, is a statement. हमेशा हमने देखा है, statement, balance sheet, statement as per or for the year end. So balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement. 8th is wages paid for installation of machinery is a revenue expenditure. Totally wrong, because wages जो पे किए जाते हैं, installation of machinery is an asset, right? तो आप उसके लिए पैसे वो wages पे कर रहे हो, so definitely it is a capital expenditure, isn't it? तो वो आपके capital expenditure में जाता है क्योंकि आप पे कर रहे हो उस मशीनरी को इंस्टॉल करने के लिए, so it goes under capital expenditure, so that's why it is false. Income received in advance is a liability. Definitely yes, and it is true, students, because जब income advance में मिल जाता है तो वो एक liability हो जाती है क्योंकि आगे चलकर वो पैसे आपको definitely मिलने तो नहीं वाले हैं ना. So something which you are not going to get in future, it's a liability. So that's why income received in advance is a liability. RDD is created on creditors. Reserve for doubtful debts is created on creditors. Yes, it is definitely false, students, क्योंकि RDD तो डेटर्स पर होता है ना, क्रेडिटर्स पे थोड़े ही होगा. If somebody takes goods from you, okay, so definitely those are your customers, right? So उनके ऊपर, वो डेटर्स के ऊपर RDD होगा ना, तो those are reserve for doubtful debts. क्रेडिटर्स पर तो कभी नहीं हो सकता ना, आप दे रहे हो तो आपके ऊपर कैसे हो सकता है? जो लेता है, those are your customers, उनके ऊपर ही RDD क्रिएट होता है, ठीक है. And then 11th is depreciation is not calculated on current assets. Definitely current assets पर कभी भी depreciation calculate होता ही नहीं है, fixed assets पर होता है, isn't it? So it is true. It is not calculated on current assets, it's true. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Definitely yes, and the statement is true, students, क्योंकि goodwill is intangible, you cannot see and touch, और ये fill in the blanks में भी हमने पढ़ा था. So it is a correct statement, so it is true. Let's go to the next. Indirect expenses are debited to trading account. Definitely not. It is a false statement. Direct expenses जो होते हैं वो डेबिट होते हैं ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में. So that's why indirect expenses वाला जो है ये डेबिट are debited to trading account. It is a false statement. 14th, bank loan is a current liability. A huge no. ये false statement है because bank loan is not a current liability. It's a long term liability है ना, जो बहुत सालों तक आपका लोन आप लेते हो तो यू हैव टू पे द इंस्टॉलमेंट, सो व्हाट्सएवर, लेकिन लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नॉट अ करंट लायबिलिटी. दैट्स व्हाई द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. नेट प्रॉफिट इज डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. डेफिनेटली नॉट. it's false statement because नेट प्रॉफिट इज द क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट है ना. जब आपका क्रेडिट बैलेंस ज्यादा होता है, जब आपको क्रेडिट बैलेंस मिलता है, तभी ही आप नेट प्रॉफिट दिखा पाते हो ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई द स्टेटमेंट इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग एंड इट इज फॉल्स. ठीक है. सो हियर वी फिनिश्ड विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1C स्टूडेंट्स. आई होप वी हैव अ वेरी क्या कह सकते हैं, बहुत ही वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग से थे, लॉजिकल भी थे, जहाँ पर भी हमने जो भी चीज़ें हमने टैकल की एंड वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इन वेरी क्लियर way. So I think they were very nice. Let's go to the D part of it. First, I'm to say question number 1D जो है वो है find odd one. First one, wages, salary, royalty, import duty. Students, if you can see, wages, royalty, import duty are all of the trading account. Salary आपका जो है वो profit and loss account में आता है. So that's why the odd one here is salary for sure. Second, postage, stationery, advertising, purchases. Definitely this is the other way. Postage, stationery and advertising तीनों के तीनों आप profit and loss account में देख सकते हो, लेकिन purchases is related to trading account. That's why the odd one out is purchases. ठीक है. Third one, capital, bills receivable, reserve fund, bank overdraft. If you can see, children, capital, reserve fund or bank overdraft are liabilities. Bills receivable is an asset. So odd one out is bills receivable for sure. Let's go to the next. Fourth one, building machinery, furniture and bills payable. I think this is the easiest one. Building machinery और furniture आपके fixed assets है और bills payable आपकी liability है. So odd one यहाँ पर है bills payable. ठीक है. Last but not the least, discount received, dividend received, interest received and depreciation. all three are जो भी receive हुए हैं definitely they are all received way में है, like discount received, dividend received, interest received. Depreciation is nothing which you are receiving, you are applying to the fixed assets, so depreciation is your odd one. ठीक है. So this is what we have solved today, students, and I hope that you have got little bit of clarity about what they really mean, and enjoyed in solving the exercise as well. So on that note, children, I'll conclude the video. In the next video, definitely I'll bring with more objectives and also problems in the process. So on that note, children, those who are those who find the video useful, kindly like, subscribe and share, and I hope you all are going well with the videos. Please, if you want any other videos of your importance, or if you feel you want to comment, or you are welcome to comment in the comment section, children, and we will bring those videos. On that note, children, thank you so much. Take care. Thank you.